Hey subbies, I can't wait to share with you some wonderful tips and tricks to become a more productive YouTuber. Before I get into this video though, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, fun, wonderful videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. Let's get into these ways of being a more productive YouTuber content creator. The first tip I have for you is to plan out your videos. Make a list of all of your videos that you would like to film. And plus then it also makes a really fun to-do list as well. Gotta love multifunctionality. And another thing that I like to use to help me organize my planning for my YouTube videos is this wonderful whiteboard. I had shared it in a Five Below haul that I have done. I love being able to plan out my content on a whiteboard because you can also, on this one, plan it out for the days that the content will be uploaded as well, which makes things even easier to be more productive as a YouTuber. My third tip is to schedule your videos, and to do that, when you upload your video on YouTube, the final thing that you have to select is when your video is going to go live. I like to scroll down to the option where it says to schedule your video, and then you can pick the day that you want your video to go up, so then you don't have to physically click to upload it to remember to do so on that day. YouTube does it for you because you had scheduled it prior, which I love to do, so then I can always have my videos up every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which extremely is a wonderful way to be organized and to stay on track, especially when you have a schedule for the days that you want to upload your content. So not only do you know when your videos will be going up, but as do your subscribers as well, to make for a more dedicated content creator. I hope these tips and tricks have helped you on your path of becoming a more productive YouTuber, as they have helped me immensely. Let me know in the comments down below what your tips, tricks, and advice are for becoming a more productive YouTuber. I'd love to know. I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, fun, wonderful videos that I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I don't want you to miss any of them. Be sure you're also following me on Instagram. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I love to share library hauls, book reviews, beautiful breakfast, lovely lunches, and delicious dinners. They all can be found right here on my Instagram. And be sure to also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. I love to play hashtag games, but I love even more being able to share my fun, witty, wonderful hashtag answers with each and every one of you. By following me on my social media, you'll also see on my Instagram stories and my Twitter fleets the newest thumbnails for my videos, and if you click on the reminder button on my Instagram stories, you will be reminded when my video will be going live in your time zone. I hope these tips and tricks and advice have helped you when it comes to being a more productive YouTube content creator. I can't wait to see you in my next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.